This is my idea on how to hold a belt sander in place to use it as a stationary sander. It has a fence, and the Power Fist from Princess Auto has a flat top, so I can just flip it upside down and bolt it in. The thing is reasonably simple to take apart. Just undo the and it comes apart just like that. And I put the fence on a hinge, as you can see here. I've left a space there so that it clamps to the workbench, and that's just a 1/4-inch rod. Just something I had laying around and it seemed convenient to use to put it back together again. And I just need to be careful that I don't tighten that down too much. Flip like this, or I can just leave it off however I want to use it. It's just made out of some birch plywood and I think some oak plywood that I had laying around. And yeah, it seems to work reasonably well. And now that's nice and smooth. Awesome. And have a great day.